How do I handle negative comments on my Meta ads? This question comes up frequently, and it's one that's really important to address because the reality of it is there's no right or wrong answer set in stone. A lot of it comes down to what type of product and service you are offering and the overall impact your response or lack of one might have on a person's perception if they are seeing the ad for the first time. So, for my business paid advertising help, I help people with running paid ads. And a lot of it comes down to uh, product setup where people have to pay an invoice every month in order for me to run their ads. And we can see here that there are a couple of comments that have been left so far. One which I have responded to quite a while ago, and another one that I just put in here as an example. So, for a comment like the KB contracting scaffolding response, someone who's just left a negative comment, I would respond with something like this: your feedback's appreciated, we'll try harder next time. However, for a more complex one like the English craftsman, obviously someone who might have had a negative impact or experience with an advertising agency before, I went into a bit more detail in terms of giving uh, the advice that he was looking for so that it left him with a better impression of the industry overall. And for me, I think this matters immensely because you're going to have people that see your ads for the first time. And if there are a lot of negative comments or comments which people are saying it's not genuine, it's a scam, it's boring, it's not true, and you haven't responded to those comments, then it doesn't really give a really good look. So in that instance, you would either want to hide those comments or delete them altogether. And particularly if they are untrue, you may even want to block the people as well. So that's the way in which I deal with negative comments on Meta ads. I hope you found this video useful. Hit that like button if you did, and have a fantastic day, everybody.